Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a really special video for you. It is the progress update for my J-Kid Newport Back Bay project. This home is a custom home that I've been working on for, oh man, maybe almost 2 years now. The last time you guys saw us, we barely had any furniture in. Now that all of the finishes are done, the cabinetry is done, we're slowly getting all of the furniture in, but I wanted to take you on a little progress report to let you see what it looks like from before, during, and before we style. So let's take a tour of the home. We've been building this gorgeous custom Spanish Mediterranean home for over 2 years now. The clients had hired the architect to draw out the space. As soon as they locked down their architect, they'd locked down their interior designer as well. We're coming upon the entry vestibule, which is this gorgeous 2-towered space. To the right of the entry is the home office. It's a shared space that they can all use with beautiful views of the atrium. We lined the walls with this gorgeous vinyl wall covering and laid wall-to-wall custom cabinetry in the softest, beautiful gray. At the center of the space will be a custom built-in 4-way desk. Your first introduction into the home is this gorgeous atrium. It's going to house a koi pond by the time we're done with it, and the outdoor seating with this gas-lit fireplace is a perfect place for guests to convene. Custom ceilings like this groin vault into the entry of the kitchen make a space come alive. I love that it becomes such a beautiful accent and a statement to the entry of the home. To the left of the atrium is this beautiful game room. It'll house a pool table by the time we're done with it, and since the walls are very bare right now, the next time you see it, it'll be dark and sexy and such a wow factor into the home. Nothing screams luxe like a butler's pantry right off the kitchen. It's a second kitchen that's perfect for entertaining, especially when you need spillage coming out of the first kitchen. At the heart of the home is this luxurious, expansive kitchen. A lot of the times with so much space, you really don't know how to demarcate zones. We broke up the area into one large kitchen space, a dining nook, and a little desk area. We stained all the cabinets with a beautiful dove gray glaze, used polished nickel hardware for all of our faucets and handles, and at the center of it all, a gorgeous 60-inch wolf range that anchors the space. One of the first things I designed for the great room was this custom coffered ceiling. We brought in the best carpenters to stain it in the perfect shade to match the kitchen cabinets. This home has all of the amenities you can think of, including this custom theater. The walls are painted in a dark gray, and it's anchored by custom, comfy leather chairs. Every designer knows not to neglect the laundry room. After all, it does become one of the most used spaces in a home. We lined the walls with custom cabinetry and installed marble countertops to match. Powder rooms are one of my favorite rooms to make a design statement. I wanted it to have a very dark and sexy club vibe. The walls are lined in Venetian plaster made to look like polished concrete, and around the edge is a urinal. Not the most typical fixture you'd find in a space, but hey, it's functional. Moving on to the master suite, you'll see that we have an entire stone surround fireplace. A little designer's trick that I love to do is installing the fireplace centered to the walls. That way, you'll get a nice, beautiful glow right from your bed. There's also a really beautiful view of the atrium right off the master bedroom. Moving into the master bathroom, we have custom vanities with antique marble inset drawers. We'll have large expansive mirrors lining both sides of the walls, a soaking tub in the center of the space, and this gorgeous marble steam shower. It's like a spa in your very own bathroom. The master closet features matching cabinetry, multiple valet stations, more storage that you can think of, and the most beautiful glass-lined handbag and accessories closet. We'll soon be lining all of these glass shelves with LEDs so that all of the accessories could be lit from behind. The spiral staircase is an architectural beauty on its own. Leading up to our custom design loft, this space is a second family room for the kids. The custom cabinetry will house books and personal collectibles. And to the rear niche is this baby grand piano. I love how it fits so beautifully in this space and becomes a feature. Opening up the loft sliding doors, you're met with this gorgeous mezzanine that takes you over to the gym with a beautiful view of the atrium. Level 2 houses 3 bedrooms, one for each of the boys. Every room has its own ensuite bathroom with its own personality. I love that there's a mix of modern and functional, industrial chic finishes to match each of the boys' personalities. The backyard is a dream in its own. Not only does it have this massive pool, but there's also a detached casita, which is mainly a guest house. The guest house is almost about the size of my existing home, so you can imagine how large this space is. Once we're done with the backyard, it'll be the perfect place to relax in your very own retreat. Thank you so much for following along the progress report. The next time you guys see it, it is going to be spectacular. If you like this type of content, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you comment and let me know your favorite part of the house. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.